Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve 4xe in bright white. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, drowsy driver detection, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, night vision with pedestrian and animal detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start system, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, select terrain system, heated and ventilated rear seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6837.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.